Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Android Auto Communication Error 8. First, make sure you're not connected to a VPN. If a VPN is enabled, disconnect it before using Android Auto. Next, open your phone's settings. Go to More Connectivity Options and tap Android Auto. Then go back to Settings. Open Apps and search for Android Auto. Tap Storage and clear the cache. Now return to Settings. Open More Connectivity Options and tap Android Auto again. Select Connect a Vehicle and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your phone with your car. Once the connection is complete, launch Android Auto and check if the Communication Error 8 has been fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Android Auto Communication Error 8. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.